Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by laying the saree flat and exposing the Kuchu thread so you can work accurately. You must keep pleats aligned. Once done, locate the exact thread path and hold the fabric taut with clips or weights to prevent shifting. Then make one careful, small cut through the Kuchu thread with sharp snips, only cutting the thread. Don't slice adjacent fabric. This first cut gives access for pulling and prevents frayed edges later, so take your time and steady your hands. After the initial cut, grip the thread end and pull slowly in the direction of the knot. This reduces tugging on the weave. If the thread is tight or under the fabric surface, use fine-tip tweezers to tease it free without widening the hole. Make short, controlled pulls. Avoid jerking. Once the main length is removed, trim any short fibers near the edge with precision scissors and run your fingers along the seam to ensure no stray loops remain. Doing this prevents puckering and readies the saree for finishing. To finish, reinforce the area. Apply a tiny dab of clear fabric glue or sew a few small stitches to secure loose yarns. This stabilizes the edge. Once secured, press gently on low heat with a cloth barrier to flatten the pleat and set the repair. If you encounter a snag or a pulled warp, stop and backtrack. Don't force more pulling. Carefully reverse to the last clean point and remove remaining thread fiber by fiber. This troubleshooting tip prevents fabric damage and preserves the saree's finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.